It was a snowy evening at the North Pole, and the elves were busy packing toys for Christmas. The reindeer were in their barn, eating hay and getting ready for the big night. Everything seemed perfect, until Santa came rushing in looking worried. "Rudolph has a cold," Santa announced. "His nose is dim, and he's sneezing nonstop. He can't guide my sleigh tonight." The elves gasped. Without Rudolph's glowing red nose, Santa wouldn't be able to see through the dark, snowy skies. "Don't worry, Santa," said Ellie, the smartest elf in the workshop. "We'll find a way to help." The elves gathered in a circle to brainstorm. Tinker, the gadget-loving elf, had an idea. "What if we make a super bright lantern to light the way?" "That could work," Santa said with a smile. "But we'll need it ready quickly." The elves got to work. They hammered, glued, and tinkered with parts until they made a lantern that shone as brightly as Rudolph's nose. Santa tested it on his sleigh, but the lantern kept swinging in the wind. "It's too wobbly," Santa sighed. "We need something better." Then Cookie, the elf who loved to bake, came up with a fun idea. "What if we ask the other reindeer to help? We can give them extra magic cookies to boost their speed and teamwork." Santa nodded. "Let's try it." The elves quickly baked a batch of sparkling magic cookies. They smelled like cinnamon and sparkled like the stars. Each reindeer ate a cookie, and soon, they felt stronger and faster. Dasher tested his speed. "I feel amazing," he said, zipping around the barn. "And I can fly higher," added Prancer, leaping into the sky. Even though Rudolph was resting with a warm blanket and a cup of cocoa, the other reindeer promised to work together to guide Santa's sleigh. They lined up, and Ellie gave Comet a small flashlight to hold in his mouth. "This will help lead the way," Ellie said. Santa climbed into his sleigh and called out, "Ready, team?" "Ready," the reindeer cheered. As they flew into the night, the reindeer worked together like never before. Comet's flashlight shone bright, and the magic cookies gave everyone the energy to zoom through the skies. Santa delivered presents to every house, and the team returned to the North Pole just as the sun began to rise. When they landed, Rudolph was waiting for them, feeling much better. "Thank you for saving Christmas," he said with a big sneeze. Santa chuckled. It wasn't just one reindeer or elf. It was all of us working together. The elves cheered, and everyone celebrated with cookies and hot cocoa. From then on, the reindeer knew that even without Rudolph's bright nose, teamwork could light the way. And that's how the elves and reindeer saved Christmas when Rudolph caught a cold.